I'm gonna.
I don't know yet.
It is not a function.
See, I was trying to solve it.
Sorry.
Oh, I'm so dumb.
Do you see this one here?
The other one.
And this one.
Oh, because they're. Yeah.
So this is not a function.
Would you list one twice? No.
Shh.
Wait, mister, would you list one twice or?
You would only list it once. If you, so basically, you could say, because x equals 1 is trying to go to 2 places. X equals 1 is trying to go to 5, and it's trying to go to -2 at the same time. That can't happen.
So one's trying to go to 2 places, kind of say that?
Yeah.
So if it's on the x, then there's two of the same. Okay.
Yeah. Alright, so the next relation is just a set of ordered pairs. So here are your ordered pairs. That's a relation though, because it's a set of ordered pairs.
For that, can we just do we have to write this down?
No, not necessarily.
Okay.
So, I think this confused some people on the homework when you had a graph. So, here, let's say that's 1, 4. And that's 2, -2.
5.
No, 1, 4.
Oh, I was thinking of the number 1.
3, -6 will be way down here. -6, 3 is kind of like right here. Yeah, I got them all, right?
No, -3, 6.
-3, 6, thank you. It's up there. So, if you were to graph them, like if I connected these points, I would just connect them in a line. You don't have to. So you see how I kind of made a graph?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So if you look on your x-axis, is there any dot right on top of each other?
No.
So that means this one is yes. Because I don't see any points like this. If you saw a dot right there, you see how both these dots, Jonah, are on the same line? If you saw that, it would not be a function.
The left side doesn't matter.
The what side?
So if you drew a line on the left side, it would be no.
But wait, none of those numbers are.
But yeah, so it's still yes because nothing repeats.
Yeah, none of the lines.
Yeah,
You drew a line for each one. None of them hit another circle.
Yeah, and like, if I had, let's say I had the point
Oh.
-6.
Wait, so you're saying so 2 wouldn't be in the same line?
If 2 are in the same line, it's not a function. If one.
Okay. Yeah, but
So
Yeah.
if there was a graph with just a bunch of random dots all over it, as long as you look through it and there's no lines that can go through, from up and
I
down,
see now.
go through 2
Yeah.
of them, then it's always a function.
Yeah, so like if I added that ordered pair, -6, 4, to the list, would it be a function still?
I don't know. I can't tell.
Yes.
No, it would not.
It would not, because I already have a -6 going to 3. So if I added this one, it would change it to no.
Oh, right.
All of these are considered linear equations.
3 is not a function.
Correct. This one, x equals 6, anytime you see an equation start with x equals 6, it's a vertical line. Anytime you see something that starts with y equals 2, it's a horizontal line.
So if it's x, that means it's not a function because it's a
And then
horizontal
if
line.
it's like.
And b looks something like that, because it's positive.
Right.
Wait, I have a question.
Because this one right here, I could draw the line here. I could draw it here. How many times did you hit it?
Okay.
Once.
Once. Vertical line test. But to pass the vertical line test. So that's why these two are yes. Because they pass. That's your reason why it is a function. If you want to, you can add that you can also say this. These mean the same thing. This is just function notation. This is your G, this is your F. So we're at the first example. The first thing you do is you look at the letter in front. It's a G. So this whole guy, I'm gonna just rewrite my g of x function. My next step is I look inside the parenthesis. Whatever is inside that parenthesis represents x. So now I'm ready to substitute whatever x equals into the equation. So I'm going to say y equals, there's an x, it's going to be gone, it's going to become a negative 3. Minus 2,
So negative 2.
right, or minus 2.
Minus 2. Never mind.
And then, because of this guy, you have to add on to the equation and add 13.
Okay, so if it's,
And now you're ready to solve for y.
so
For
it's G.
g of 2y. So first off, your first step, which function are you going to use?
The G.
So equals x minus 2x squared. What does x equal? Everything inside that parenthesis. This whole thing is 2x. I know it may look confusing, but the whole thing is x.
Like x equals.
Yep. So I'm just going to say equals. I'm going to replace this x with 2y. I'm going to say minus 2. I'm going to replace this x with 2y. And I'm going to square it. F of h plus 4.
So wouldn't it be?
So your first step, what I'm going to say it equals 2x minus 6, right?
And then you put underneath the x equals h plus 4.
Right. X equals this whole expression. So wherever I see an x, I'm inputting this whole thing.
Okay, and I set it
So do you think you need parentheses?
Yes, sir. Ma'am. Sorry. Absolutely.
And so now you're ready to do distribution.
Wait, what? Wait, is x equals?
X equals this whole expression.
No, I mean with the equal with the bottom one.
Oh, it's, you can say y if you want.
Okay.
I got it, I think.
So you distribute the 2 times the h,
Got
the
it.
2 times the 4.
I think so.
Just bring down your minus 6. Combine like terms. You should get 2h plus 2.
Guys,